Alliances formed. Friend backstabbed friend. Alliances fell. Two blocs went head to head. Blood was spilled. Pawns were sacrificed and leaders scapegoated. Long before the NDA and India blocs ever took the field, Haryana was ground zero for an epic battle of mythological proportions. In 2024, a Mahabharat is playing out all over once again. As Haryana gears up for the 2024 assembly elections, the political battle is heating up in the northern state. While it's not exactly like the war between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, the battle for Haryana is no less than a modern day epic. After all, Larva is in Kurukshetra, and CM for less than a year, Nayab Singh Saini, faces a trial by fire.
लाडवा के सरदारी ने ये इस बात से आश्वस्त किया है क्योंकि जिम्मेवारी लाडवा के लोगों की खड़ी है.
In this political battle, though, there is no Krishna, Parth or Duryodhan, but most importantly, there is no Dharmaraj Yudhishthir. After the ultimate leveler, 2024 Lok Sabha results, Haryana could well define how the political map of India and more specifically the Hindi heartland looks like. The BJP and Congress are vying for power, while minor league majors like AAP and JJP are looking to make their mark.
अरविंद केजरीवाल एक विकल्प के रूप के अंदर हरियाणा के अंदर आ रहे हैं.
It's all happening in Haryana. Ironically, the BJP may have been hit by a surge of saffron. Rebels emerge and revolts are quelled by the hour. The High Command is on the job. In the other camp, the Congress seems to have way too many generals. The Hudas and the Seljas have their own strategies, even as heavy hitters like Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia join the squad.
यही लोग जिताएंगे, यही लोग जिताते आए हैं. कुश्ती में परमात्मा के बिना, बड़ों के बिना हम ना कभी कुछ कर पाए थे और आज भी इनके बिना हम कुछ नहीं है. इनके आशीर्वाद से हम आगे बढ़ेंगे.
There's also a host of third fronters like the AAP and JJP, who may just end up eating into the vote banks of their former allies. This Mahabharat playing out in Haryana gets even more complicated by the day. Who stands where? Congress or BJP? Does anyone have the advantage? How does the number game stand in Haryana today? The ruling BJP is encountering growing challenges from within its ranks over ticket denials. In the first list of candidates, the BJP dropped at least 8 sitting MLAs. The selection of candidates sparked a huge rift among the party, with key leaders and ministers resigning. Out of the 67 candidates announced in the first list, 18 were turncoats who recently switched from other parties like JJP, Congress, Shiromani Akali Dal and Bahujan Samaj Party. The preference to outsiders may end up causing further rifts within the saffron squad, even as BJP loyalists seemingly get frustrated. Has the BJP High Command chosen winnability over ideological loyalists? At least 12 senior leaders, including 2 ministers, have quit the BJP leading up to the crucial assembly elections. Rebellion is reportedly brewing in 16 constituencies including Ratia and Rania. Key resignations include Haryana Power Minister Ranjit Singh Chautala and Ratia MLA Lakshman Napa, who joined the Congress. Other notable departures are Minister of State Vishambhar Valmiki and Karan Dev Kamboj.
10 साल मैंने अपने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को दिए और मेहनत की. गांव-गांव, ढाणी-ढाणी तक प्रचार प्रसार किया और चुनाव भी लड़ा मैंने 2019 का. उसके बाद भी मैं लगा रहा, लोगों के काम किए, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मैं ये मानता हूँ कि मेरे साथ एक धोखा करने का काम किया कि जो टिकटें थी उन सूचियों में नाम नहीं आया, उसके बाद डीरेल करने की कोशिश की गई किसी तरीके से कि बस घर बैठ जाएं।
Despite the turmoil, BJP downplayed the resignations, claiming that the selection reflects the party's commitment to diversity.
जिनको टिकट नहीं मिला, इनमें से कुछ लोग उनका जो मानसिक रूप से उनको खराब लग सकता है, और हम अपने कार्यकर्ता को संभाल लेंगे, क्योंकि बीजेपी संगठन के माध्यम से काम करते हैं और संगठन सर्वोपरि, व्यक्ति विशेष में हमारे पार्टी नहीं चलता। और आप लोगों ने इस लिस्ट में देखा है हम लोगों ने किस तरीके से जातीय समीकरण हो, राजनीतिक समीकरण हो और हरियाणा का हित के हो, सभी दिशा में देखते हुए इस लिस्ट को, कैंडिडेट को चयन करने हमने कोशिश किया है।
The BJP now grapples with an RRR challenge: revolt, resignations, and realizations. Beyond confronting the opposition, the party must also address internal strife. Reports indicate that BJP is actively working to appease leaders who have yet not aligned with other parties or filed independent nominations. Haryana CM admitted the BJP is trying to pacify upset leaders. However, the CM has his own seat to worry about. The sitting CM, Nayab Singh Saini, seemingly faces a tough fight in Larwa, a constituency with MLAs from 3 different parties over the last 3 elections. Saini, who replaced Manohar Lal Khattar as the CM of Haryana in March 2024, must now prove his political prowess.
हम 90 की 90 विधानसभा सीटें बहुत बड़े मैंडेट के साथ जीत करके तीसरी बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
After Lok Sabha performance, the Congress is confident of a Haryana victory. In 2019, BJP had won all 10 Lok Sabha seats but were reduced to just 5 in 2024. The saffron vote share fell too, indicating a major shift in voting patterns. For Congress, the shift indicated a rationalization of the graph, having held on to Haryana for decades before 2014. In the 2019 Assembly elections, the BJP had won 40 seats with a vote share of just over 36%, while the Congress scalped 31 seats, garnering less than 29% of the votes. The JJP had 10. But can they gain enough to become kingmakers in 2024, going it all alone? The questions are few, the players many. Who will be Haryana's boss in 2024? Will this election in the Hindi heartland pave way for what's coming up in UP, Bihar and Rajasthan? Why have the 2 national alliances seemingly weakened just before the Mahabharat?